I'm really excited to share with you our new product, optimalChat. optimalChat integrates with your website. It's based on the ChatGPT OpenAI technology, and it creates a conversation with everything that you curate and share using Kurator. So every content I have published here on the content marketing channel, under the tools channel, wisdom channel, history channel, becomes the source of the responses that are generated over here. For example, I can say, what are some use cases for Kurator? And it now looks at the content that I have published in here, and it generates an answer. It says Kurator can be used for a variety of purposes: project management, content curation and publishing, YouTube content management, and then provide some reference links. And when I click on the reference links, it's going to take me to the post. In this case, it's a video, and it demonstrates how Kurator can be used for project management. I can also ask another question and say, how can I get started with Kurator? And the product is intelligent enough to understand, as you know ChatGPT is, to create the right response. To get started with Kurator, install Chrome Web Store, register for a new account and activate it, and then create a link again to a post that talks about how to get started with Kurator. I can also ask questions. Let's say you are a content publisher talking about artificial intelligence. I can say, is artificial intelligence intelligent? And now it's going to query the content that I have published here on AI, a lot of different interviews with Noam Chomsky and other experts, and provide a really intelligent answer. Artificial intelligence is designed to mimic human behavior and cognitive processes, but whether it can be considered intelligent in the human sense is a complex question. However, I would tell you that if you're the one that's curating and sharing the answers, you can now put intent behind the answers that are generated. So you're combining human intelligence with artificial intelligence to create better answers. If you're doing any kind of activism or political advocacy, you can, for example, ask, how are tech platforms hurting our economy? And now it's going to look at all of this content, and the person that's talking about it is Yanis Varoufakis. I have multiple videos from him, and here you can see tech platforms can potentially harm the economy in several ways: monopolistic behavior, exploitation of user data. Tech platforms often exploit user data, a part of techno-feudalism, which is a book that he has written. And then when you click, it will then land on that topic. You can see that I add transcripts with the content. The more content that you add with the post that you share, the better and more accurate your answers will be, and eventually will be even able to index different parts of the video to provide exact answers to the questions that you have. I have to tell you that I'm really, really excited. I'm even surprised at how well this works. Give it a try on our website, and I think you will share my sentiment. Start curating, get Kurator, put your content together, and in a very short time, you'll be able to deploy these chatbots and turn your curated content into a conversation. Give it a try.